Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Wise Money Transfer Japan. So let's get started. So in here in wise.com, and the first thing that I want to tell you is that it would be better for you if you use the link in the description below when you are creating your Wise account if you don't have that yet. So when you create that using the link below, you would have additional benefits for your first transactions here in Wise. And now, once you are here in your account right here, and first of all, you would need to verify in order for you to add currency. So since you are using Wise for money transfer in Japan, I think it would be necessary for you to have the yen currency right here. So to add that is, first of all, you need to be verified. And from here, as you can see, I have my Japanese yen. So you can add it by clicking on this button right here. And then from here, you can select either balance or jar. So balance is where you can send, receive, or spend money, or jar is where you can save money right here. So let's go for balance. And then from here, you can just simply choose the Japanese yen right here. But in my case, I don't have that anymore because I have already added it into my account. But this is basically how you can add it. So now once you have your Japanese yen right here, so if you'd want to add your balance here in Japanese yen, you can just simply click on the Japanese yen currency right here and click on add so that you would be able to deposit money here in your Japanese yen currency. And you can select the payment methods right here. First, the amount, and then the payment method here, you can add it. You go on your bank transfer, debit card. So the payment methods right here might actually depend on the region that you are currently in. So you might have more options than I do right here, but in my case, I'll just go for debit card, and you can go and continue. And then from here, it would go through some verification. So it would need some proof of address right here. So you would need this document right here. So you need to complete this verification in order for you to proceed to the payment in depositing on your Japanese yen currency account. And if you'd want to send money using your Japanese yen currency, you can click on the send money. And then from here, you can choose the Japanese yen right here that you will be sending. You can change this into yen. And then you can also set the amount right here. And then you can go for the recipient currency. So let's say you want to send it into yen also. So you can also do that here in Japanese yen. And then from here, you would be able to see how much the recipient would get, and this would be the fee. And then from here, you can select your payment method on the transfer. And these are the payment methods that I currently have available. So it might be different for you depending on the time or maybe the region. So in my case, I'll just go for a debit card. And then from here, you can see when it would arrive into the recipient. So once you're done, click on continue. And now you can choose the recipient on who you will be sending the money. So you can go for search Wise. If your recipient has a Wise account, you can use their Wise tag, email, or phone number. If not, then you can just enter the bank details. You can go for someone else. And then from here, you can fill up their information here to be sent into their bank account. But in my case, I'll just go for myself. And from here, I'm just going to go for the full name. So I'm just going to put something random in here just for an example. And from here, go for the bank name. So as you can see, it would lag quite a bit. So as you can see, I'm just going to choose something random right here. And from here, go for the branch name and just going to type something random right here, just for an example, and click on confirm. Right here. And this field right here. So I'm just going to go and do it right. This one. So now when you click on confirm, you will now proceed to the next step, which is you would need a proof of address if you haven't provided it for your account yet. So yeah, you would need to provide this first in order for you to send money here using Wise, and you would need to go through the review process. And now when you go into the pay, all that's left is to provide your payment method details. And then after that, you should be able to pay for that. And now you should see that the money will now be sent to the recipient. So yeah, that is basically it for this tutorial on how you can use Wise Money Transfer in Japan. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.